Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of update on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Snapchat and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Snapchat. And then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.